Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix the Samsung screen touch delay. First of all, you need to restart your phone, and if you attached any thick screen protector, simply remove that thick screen protector and simply go to settings and go to display. Here you can see the option touch a sensitivity. Simply enable this option. First of all, restart, then remove any thick screen protector, then enable the touch sensitivity. Touch delay can occur because of screen protector or software issues. Increasing touch sensitivity often improve the responsive. So simply in this way we can fix the Samsung screen touch delay on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.